The main text of every Cochrane review contains fixed headings. These fixed headings are included as protected text, which cannot be deleted and is shown in blue. Headings are structured through heading levels, with heading 1 being the highest level. This is reserved for the main section headings, such as abstract and discussion. All recommended headings are predefined in RevMan and included when a new review is created. They are represented with special icons in the outline. To remove a recommended heading, right-click on the heading and select the Activate Headings. You will be prompted to confirm the action. After a heading is deactivated, it will be shown in gray in the outline pane, and its corresponding section in the content pane will be removed. Please note, deactivating a heading will move any text in that section to the preceding section. To activate a recommended heading, simply click on the heading and select Activate Heading. Optional and user-defined headings are added manually. Enter the heading text on a separate line. Apply the relevant heading style using the pull-down list in the toolbar.